I created a new YouTube channel to make a business out of it. In this video, I will present the whole strategy and show how and why I will get to 10K per month using my experience. I will present a detailed plan of action, how to keep the attention of the viewer and tell stories in a good way, how to do a good research to create a viral video, why not to follow CPM when choosing a niche, and why I won't create shorts. You will also learn why the videos will be published a maximum of twice a week, and the reason why I don't use freelancers to create a video. At the beginning of each new video, I will publish detailed statistics of the channel, what I have learned and improved, and an updated plan. So leave a sub to make you believe that the growth on YouTube is not a coincidence. Why did I choose this niche? Imagine yourself facing two roads. You have a choice of paths, creating in a niche that makes huge views, and one that makes smaller views but you are interested in the topic and want to expand in it. The first path is likely to be highly competitive, and you may quickly lose your enthusiasm for creating videos because you simply aren't interested in it and just wanted to make money because someone told you there was good money to be made from this niche. On the other hand, the other way, the one that can develop you in the topic you like, has weaker views but gives you new opportunities. A. You can create a community of people who are interested in the same thing you are. B. You can create a product that will reach those who are interested. C. With each video, you will gain experience and recognition, so that in the future, you can be an expert in the topic that fascinates you. And that's what's awesome, right? Don't consider CPM. A quick example, crypto very high CPM, but generates less displays than, for example, celebrity news. The average display for crypto channels is 10K. Take the average RPM of $20. 10 times 20 is $200. The average views for the celebrity news channel is 100K, with an average RPM of $4. $100 times 4 is $400. The conclusion is that niches with high CPM will rarely generate high views and go viral, so it is not worth focusing on high CPM unless you are interested in that particular niche. Action plan. I ran several YouTube channels, many of which failed because I simply didn't have the experience. I was already going to give up, but decided to give myself another chance and dived even deeper into the topic. After a few months, 3 of my channels recorded unimaginable numbers thanks to what I learned, and this channel is to show you how I managed to get to that point, present all the things that affect it, and how to do them correctly. So the plan is 0 shorts, because shorts generate a lot of subscribers, but of poor quality. They are subscribers with statistically short attention span and spoil the statistics because they watch only 10 seconds of the video, and these are the facts. I don't advise you to test this. This can completely spoil the statistics of your channel because it will bring the average viewing time to a low level and your videos simply will not be promoted by YouTube. I know this from my previous channels. I intend to post 1 to 2 times a week because I am firmly focused on quality over quantity. YouTube most wants to promote authentic and valuable content, so the quality must be at the highest level. Take care of the quality of video production, the quality of information provided, and the quality of delivery of promise. I do not use the help of freelancers. It's simple. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to learn it from within, learn the process yourself, and how to get views. Only when you learn this will you know how to get someone to do it right, and you will know who is competent to do it the way you want. If you already know how to do it, send the same short script to several or a dozen freelancers, give them guidelines on how it should look like, and then choose the best ones to do it properly. Focus on good storytelling in the script and video editing. This is mainly what keeps the viewer's attention, so it has to be top-notch for the video to be promoted. Analyzing statistics is the key to success. Low click-through rate, work on the thumbnail, poor average view duration. It's simple. If viewers leave at the beginning of the video, you have a poor hookup. If in the middle, it means you are telling the story poorly or the video is boring. If at the end the video faster, you don't need to clock out and ask for subscriptions. Cut out what is not needed and what can bore the viewer. Remember to keep his attention as much as possible. At the beginning, it will be difficult if you have no experience, so it is crucial to analyze the statistics of your channel. Good research. In order for a video to have a chance of going viral, you have to hit on what people want. If you spend enough time to find a topic that people want, but it is not exhausted, you are on the right track. Remember that you don't have to be the first in this topic. Just add your interpretation and contribute your value, or just create better quality videos. At the very beginning, you can plug into the prevailing trends to get your first views. The key to proper research is to use the right tools. I personally use vidIQ, Google Trends, and YouTube itself. In the next video, I will show you how to do a proper research using multiple tools so that the video has the highest chance of going viral. Watch and learn how to succeed on YouTube.